Got some new shocks for the front end, and also got some new front coil spring seats. Okay, I got the springs compressed, and I got these bolts right here on top of the shock off. Now I'm just gonna pull it off. Okay, I got that bolt right here, one that goes, can you see right there? And then got the top part off, or the top bolts off, so it should just come right off. Okay, I removed it. I think it don't work. Look at it. It's not supposed to do that, is it? Doesn't come back up. This is the old one. Now this is the driver's side. This one actually works. See, when I push down on it, it'll come right back up, slowly but surely. This one did nothing. Whew. Finally got it on. So it looks like. I had it welded. You can see it right there. Yeah, I didn't want to do the whole screw in thing. I just thought it'd look cleaner welded. So.
I'm riding dirty down 95 with a bottle of shine, yeah. Cause I'm so gone. My mind is so gone. I'm living reckless, southbound blowing Mary Jane, above 30 in the fast lane. Cause I'm so gone. Man, I'm so gone. I'm riding dirty down 95 with a bottle of shine, yeah. Cause I'm so gone. My mind is so gone. I'm living reckless, southbound blowing.